Castle Judgment.
Let's see.
You take what you want.
So this emblem's pretty cool looking, actually.
What the hell? Man, where is it?
Yo, that chest piece is pretty cool.
Which one?
The one I got on right now, I got like paint drips on it or something. It's pretty cool.
Oh.
It's cool looking. Oh, it has a knife on the side of it. I didn't see that. It's pretty.
I get. Give me shit.
It has a knife on the side of it wrapped in bandages, and since I had the glow hoop color on the bandages are like bright blue. It's perfect.
Skolas has grown desperate.
Signal to Xandro 9940 is acknowledged. Tower confirms availability. Exchange component is discovered.
Put some of these colors in here. Color this color.
Oh, so
wait,
I can't do that.
What?
Decode this one. Oh, nothing. Alright.
Give my glow hoop back. Yeah.
So I wonder what gives me rep at House of Judgment.
That's maxed out. But this one looks so much prettier.
Symbol of the Sorcerer.
I need a short to the house. Okay, that's this now. What does this look like?
Barracks is loyal to the Queen and has no love for the Cal who have taken command of Fallen House.
Oh, you're just reading his background?
Barracks will help you hunt.
I like how he could talk though. It's like how you can understand it. And he got beat up because he got 2 robotic arms and crap.
Hey man, he wanted to be different.
Goodbye, Guardian.
Not even that. He's been through a lot of crap if he got 2 metallic arms.
Nah, he just wanted to be different.
He wanted to be different and have his arms taken off. Yeah.
Yes.
TJ, please. How are there bugs? What type of bugs are these?
What, like behind him?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, wait, what?
Yeah, they ugly. They're nasty. They look like giant ants. Like, that's what they look like to me, is giant ants.
Right.
Yo, what cape do you have on? Already clips those. Yo, that helmet is cool. Look at this guy's helmet. Sanctioned custom. Yo, that looks so cool.
Oh. Is he a hunter?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, it looks like you need to find that.
I think he bought it from the Vanguard. Oh, Sarah said ill whenever we was looking at the bugs.
Oh. Lol.
Man, I ain't going that far.
is the reef, Guardian.
True.
Truth.
Yeah, this is rocket launcher.
Oh yeah, I got that one. I need to upgrade that actually. Oh, actually, now that you mention it, might as well do it now. Yes. Wait, I need more weapon parts. Dang it. Once I get enough weapon parts, I swear.
Begun.
Oh no, he got that helmet from. I guess he just found it.
Oh really?
Oh, I mean, it's new content.
Yeah, I know it's new content, but I was like, do the Vanguards have it, the new content, or what?
It's actually a really good question. There's no Vanguard here.
Yeah, I know it's not here. You gotta go back to the tower to go look at Vanguard stuff. Oh well, let's go ahead and keep doing these missions.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where we gotta go now, Venus? Yeah. The terminus?
I'm sorry, what?
No, I was seeing where we gotta go.
Oh, okay.
Man, T, you still ain't...
Did I even get another quest? Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, you gotta go here, right?
Something about Venus.
Yeah, it should say, the Kell of Kells.
Yeah, that one.
Alright, cool. Let us be on our way. Launch. Yeah, I think this is when we go on top of that tower on Venus.
Oh,
Either this one or we're getting close to it, because that thing was called Terminus. Pretty sure that area I went to was that.
Guardian, new orders from the Queen. She wants Skolos captured alive. I live to serve, of course. Just makes this a little harder, that's all. You'll be the tip of the spear. Get down there, find him, and pin him. I'll be nearby with the capture team of Prince Uldren's Crows.
Prince Uldren's Crows, that's his group.
Wow.
The Crows. Man, what is this? Mercenaries off of Elsor?
The team and I just sat down in a canyon a few kilometers from the Citadel. When you find him, we'll be ready.
Let's go, T.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, bump this back. Oh, I missed it. Oh well.
All right.
So, he tried to conquer the other fallen houses
Oh my
and
gosh.
failed.
TJ, were you running
Now
the
it's
entire
about
time?
weapons. Outfitting the wolves with Vex instruments of war.
I keep forgetting
If
we're
Skolas
outside.
thinks he is Kell of prophecy, then weapons could turn the tail.
Yep, this is when we go up here. Oh, okay, let's do this event first. Eliminate the target. Like, what is... Dang, I didn't pick up that bounty.
Right?
I was so sad. I didn't pick it up. I was like, I had a chance to pick it up, but I picked up other bounties. I was like, that's not going to be another event anytime soon.
It keeps happening to us.
Right? Oh,
Yeah,
Oh,
I am
God.
not distracted.
oh God, I'm getting shot by so many different things.
Yeah, they are pretty. Oh.
You know, I'm about to turn on my Vex thing.
Ah, this is a mistake. Ah, well, that ended it.
Alright.
You need somebody to come in with a Gillahorn.
Yeah. That always tends to turn every type of fight. Alright, now I'm going up this way, because this way's faster.
I'm gonna get
Dang.
on the ship.
Taking a long way, TJ. God, so slow. Yep, this is the part where you go up there. Hold on, TJ, tell me how this looks. This looks pretty funny. I can see the shadow of it.
Okay, what?
Like, you know how whenever you switch into this gun, the last word it flips?
Uh-huh. What the heck? Are you even switching?
Yeah, I keep switching back and forth and it keeps spinning.
Oh yeah, I see it. Lol.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh wait, this is a strike.
Whatever he's
No,
up
it's
to,
not.
I've got a bearing on that signal.
I thought I
It's
saw the
way
other person
up
on
there,
that too.
top of the tower.
No, they were just shooting at us.
Better start
Or
climbing,
at me.
Guardian.
Yep, this is the part. Yeah. 'Cause I've come in here multiple times. I was like, oh, look, you get there's gonna be a part on one of the DLCs where you get to go up here. I thought it was gonna be in the first DLC, but then I saw this one. I was like, oh, well, that explains it. Cause like people like glitch up and get up here. Like there's a glitch where you can like go up here earlier.
Right.
Strong gravity distortion at your location.
I ain't never scared. Oh, alright.
You sure? You sure? Cause this kind of looks scary. I'm just saying. You got all this stuff, you know, everywhere.
He's kind of huge.
He's huge. There's a bunch of.
I got 30 death knights out in here.
Oh. Ooh. And there's a bunch of explosive barrels everywhere that I don't want to get killed by.
They really are.
Ah! Back up. Back up, Reaper. Oh, there's a Reaver Vandal? Oh! Wait. Let's talk about this. Stop shooting at me! I got a teammate called Shay Rilla right there.
Nah, you good.
No, because you guys should take out, you guys should shoot his face. I can't get to his face right now. Ah! Man, you know what? I don't care. Oh, that's Reaper Captain. No, I can't. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
He don't like you right now. I don't like him right now.
Yeah, I hit him with that thorn. He definitely won't like you
How
then.
am I still getting shot?
I got this too. Yeah, what's good? You think I care?
In the air and it's taking
You think I care? Oh, yes. Ooh. Oh, I almost died. Yeah, T dropping all these orbs of light for the thing.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? We're gonna push you. Oh, I'm sorry.
Where'd he go?
You went this way. Ah!
What?
I killed him. That hurt.
He keeps running around.
Oh, look, our ghost is actually used here. Still a piece of crap. I was expecting the ghost to do so much more stuff, and it didn't do anything.
Yeah. He's literally just a tool.
Yeah. Yo, let's go.
Oh.
Oh, you gotta
I
jump.
was House Judgment Scribe.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, I walked into it, nothing. Yeah, I think that's what you gotta actually be in the air. Because like I walked into it, nothing happened. I was like, oh, what?
In judgment of Wolfkill. That feels right somehow.
Oh, this is just like the freaking thing. These
Skolos
keep
is
appearing and
catch.
disappearing.
This is it, Guardian.
That looks not safe.
I knew it! I was like, as soon as you jump, it's gonna disappear, you're gonna die. Oh, that was funny.
So, do they, I mean, am I supposed to?
Yeah, you gotta jump on it, but you gotta go whenever it's up. It's like the vault of glass. Oh, that was funny as crap. Oh, that's a hard jump. Whew. I think there's a ghost on top of this thing.
The Vex tech here matches a signature from the Vault of Glass. These machines fade in and out of our timeline. Watch your step.
Okay.
I think there's a ghost on top of that thing. I'm not sure.
I didn't check.
I checked. No, it's nothing. There's nothing. I
That
think.
was, I want to say I was up there, but I didn't.